Hello children, hope you're all fit and fine. Let us recall our previous class children. Poem 1, Bender the Blender. Let us sing the poem together. Bender the Blender. There once was a blender, his name was Bender. When no one was home, he would come alive and roam. All his friends would be there soon. The knife, the fork, and the spoon. They would gather around and run all over the ground. Soon everyone is glum, hearing the car broom broom. They have to draw the line and wait until next time. Before moving into the lesson, I have to ask one question. What is the meaning for the word offer? I think you all have understood the meaning by seeing the picture. Today's lesson topic is the big offer. Okay children, listen the story well. The big offer. Ramu runs a small restaurant that makes very tasty food. One day, he gets an order to cook dinner for the biggest party in his town. However, he cannot cook because he is very sick. Children, listen. There was a man named Ramu. He runs a small restaurant, makes tasty foods. One day he got an order to cook for a biggest party in his town, but he was unable to cook because he is not well. First, Ramu is saying, I am not able to get out of the bed, but if I don't cook, who will? Now recipe book is saying, I will help you. I will work with my friends and get the food ready for the party. Ramu says that he was feel terribly bad, extremely bad. Terrible means extremely bad. So he cannot get up from the bed. If I cannot able to cook, then who will cook? So that now who is entering? Recipe book is entering. I will help you. With the help of my friends, I will cook for the party. First, recipe book is going to meet Big Pot. Big Pot is saying, I am big enough to prepare rice for the party. Next, recipe book is going to meet Mixer. Mixer says, I am the fastest. I make food in minutes. I mix fruits and milk together, then add a little sugar. That will be a very tasty milkshake. Now the recipe book is going to meet Pan. Pan says, just switch on the burner. Burner means stove. Look at me fry and roast the food. At last, recipe book comes to meet Knife. Knife says, here I am. Look at me. Slice and dice. Get ready, my dear. Tomatoes, onions, chilies. Here I come. We have already learnt a knife is used to cut vegetables. Now Ramu is coming to the kitchen. My goodness, I cannot believe my eyes. The food for the party is ready. Who helped you all? The recipe book was our chef for the day. Chef means cook. A cook. Now Ramu is saying thank you to all of them for the delicious food. Let us recap once again, children. Ramu runs a restaurant. He got a order to cook for a biggest party, but he was unable to cook because he was sick. So, recipe book helps to get the food ready for the party. First, pot helps to prepare rice. Second, mixer helps to make a milkshake. Third, pan helps to fry and roast the food. At last, knife helps to cut the vegetable. Ramu cannot believe his eyes. The recipe book was the chef for the day. Ramu say thanks to all.
Ramu runs a small restaurant that makes very tasty food. One day, he gets an order to cook dinner for the biggest party in his town. However, he cannot cook because he is very sick.
I feel terrible. I'm not able to get out of the bed. But if I don't cook, who will?
I will help you. I will walk with my friends and get the food ready for the party. Friends, shall we cook food for the party?
I am big enough to prepare rice for a party.
I am the fastest. I make food in minutes. I mix fruits and milk together, then add a little sugar. That will be a very tasty milkshake. Just switch on the burner. Look at me, fry and roast the food. Here I am. Look at me, slice and dice. Get ready, my dear tomatoes, onions, and chilies. Here I come.
My goodness, I can't believe my eyes. The food for the party is ready. Who helped you all? Thanks to all for the delicious food.
The recipe book was our chef for the day.
I hope you all enjoy the lesson. I will see you in next class. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye, children.